Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how easy it is to recreate this twisted chignon hairstyle. To start, I've just put a loose wave through the hair. This doesn't have to be perfect. And I've left some hair out at the front to frame the face on both sides. Then I'm going to spray some dry texture spray all over the hair. I'll pop this in the description below. Then just sweep the hair back from the ear and secure it into place with a bobby pin going horizontally. Then crisscross it with another one, and then we're just going to repeat on the right hand side. So sweep the hair back and pin it to the head, crisscross it with another pin, and then all we're going to do is a line of crisscrossed bobby pins connecting the two together. So you should have a row of bobby pins across the middle of the back of the head. Then just pinch and pull at the crown for some more volume. Next we're going to take a section of hair from the left hand side and twist it towards the head. Then pick up another section directly under it and cross it over that section. Then grab another piece of hair directly underneath, add it to that bottom section and cross it over the top. So we're just twisting it around. Hold it to the right hand side of the head and we're going to slip a couple of pins through the centre of the twist to keep it secure. And then just anchor the right hand side down with another bobby pin. Now we're going to move over to the right hand side, so grab your section of hair and twist it a couple of times towards the head. We're going in the opposite direction. Take a second section and just twist this over the first one. Then add your hair from the bottom to that bottom section and again twist it over the first section. And keep doing this until you run out of hair, and then just twist it a couple of times. And again we're going to slip a bobby pin through the centre of the twist and then secure the left hand side by twisting it tightly and holding it to the head and securing with another bobby pin. Now for the ends I'm just going to split these in half and loosely twist these together. So just wrap them around one another, bringing them over to the right hand side. Tuck the ends underneath and secure with a bobby pin. And then just secure the twist through the centre with another bobby pin or two. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.